Namaskar, brothers and sisters. Good morning, all of you, ladies and gentlemen, students and scholars. Those who are watching, listening, learners and listeners, readers and writers, teachers and trainers, professors and professionals, advocates, advertisers, administrators and advisors. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily cordially welcome all of you. Your presence is really praiseworthy, admirable and appreciable. Today, now, presence of our present Prime Minister St. Dr. Narendra Modi ji, availability of respected doctors and ministers, reverend fathers and mothers, affectionate sons and daughters, all listeners, I thank God, I thank Lord for your presence as you are listening carefully with 100% presence of mind, the truth of science and spirituality. It is said that listeners are the judges, observers, examiners, and speaker play the role of an advocate. But when we talk about the word, when we analyze and observe the power of word, then it is the power of word that has created the whole universe. And it is written in all the holy scriptures of our holy religions. Those who were the starters, beginners and initiators of the different religions, those who came first on this land, and they provided their physical presence. After that, God created Himself, appeared Himself in the form of light and sound. It is written, actually, we feel daily the presence of Lord in the morning time, because rising sun early in the morning is the symbol of the creation of the human earth. It shows, it tells how the world has created. If we see the rising sun, it shows that the rays of light, waves of sound has created the whole universe. When the sun disappeared at night, then we can't see anything. Every living thing becomes dark. Every living thing becomes dead. But it is in the power of the sun that created the day. Similarly, these thoughts are rejuvenated in us. regenerated in us in the form of newness, and daily we feel the presence of Lord in the form of nature. Earlier, when the planets were formed, how the earth started its rotation, how the earth started revolving around the sun, and how the changes occurred on this universe. In this universe, we can imagine in one day, in 24 hours. There are different sessions of the day that shows the presence of Lord, whose presence, whose doctrine or principle remains the same for every moment, because He is He who is, He who was and He who will always remain the same. And all the words that we use for the personification, for personalizing any person, that words show that the words are the permanent. All other things that we have around us in the form of material, all that are materialistic goods, these goods are temporary and perishable. But He who is immortal, unperishable in past, present and future, and we can imagine that power in today, present time, within 24 hours. In the part of English grammar tense, we study present tense. This is the present time, is present tense. Means 24 hours of the day. The earth completes its rotation in 24 hours. That is the symbol of present tense. The earth completed its 24 hours in past. Yesterday, it is the symbol of past time and past tense. And the earth, which will complete 24 hours tomorrow, that is the symbol of future tense. But tense is not only time. Sometimes we discuss the tenses in the form of time, so we forget, because time is the one factor. Another factors that influence the sentence or tense is time, place and action. We have studied tenses according to time, but not according to action. Visible actions, external actions that can be observed outwardly, but some actions that are happening inside the body, inside the mind, inside the heart, inside the different internal organs of our human body, that are observed, tested, diagnosed only by the doctors. Scientifically and medically, doctors know this thing, what is happening inside them, when it has happened, where has it happened, how has it happened, and why has it happened. as per the observation, doctors who are like God or Lord, they analyze the report and prescribe the medicine after instructions and providing some informations. Likely that inside everybody has the different mechanism for the reading of the different organs inside. Everyone can feel, think, imagine, imitate and copy. But if we as it is copy these things, it is not less than a crime. It is rightly said that copying, stealing is more than sin. Hard working doing always win. But when we are the learners or scholars, we are to learn everything by imitation. Our present Prime Minister, Sen Dr. Narendra Modi ji, addressed the whole world with the words of Swami Vivekananda. He who presented our Indian culture with the two words, brothers and sisters of the America. These were not only the words, but these words created upheaval, and these were the features, special characteristics of our culture that represented by this social reformist, who he was not only innovative and inventive in his field, but he was filled with all-round development in all the fields. Swamiji proved, appealed, addressed the whole world that if there is something unique, unparalleled on this earth, that is in the Indian culture, Indian civilization. If there are number of less varieties, diversities, adversities are found, that is only the land of India. So the Indian people and Indian citizen, wherever he visits throughout the world, he creates its different identity. In the mind and heart of the people, they record, download, save in their mind the citizenship of India. Truly and really, it has many varieties. Every day is celebrated here as a festival. Every day is celebrated in India as a new day with the rising sun. So that our present Prime Minister addressed it strongly with a staunch believing, with the ardent ideas, words. Our Indians are blessed and graced with the saints, free thinkers, freedom fighters, foretellers, forecasters, scientists, doctors, engineers, artists, traders, those who are working all over the world. It is the greatest blessing and grace of God. That's why they have become multidimensional, multi-sided and multifaceted in their working. Our youth is working every day, nicer, finer, greater, by their self-encouragement, self-motivation, and it inspires them to bring our nation unrelenting, unceasing, unstopping efforts that Swamiji thought, dreamed from our futuristic generation in all the departments of agriculture, industry, commercialization, industrialization, communication and transportation, banking, insurance sector, railways, post offices, defense sector. In all the sectors of the services, our youth and scholars, youngsters are working with their utmost energy. Today, it is very nice time that God has provided us. Every day is nice. Every day is new. It brings, it makes, it helps and provides. The words which are majestic, musical, and creates magic in the working generation, in the working population. Today our India is facing problem, but solution is more than problems. We have the land of solutions in the form of beginner, starter and initiator. We are the problem solvers of our world. Wherever our Indian generation, Indian youth go, they solve their problem by the God gifted solutions in the form of nature. We worship, we bless, we have humility. That is the greatest identity and feature of our culture. In the form of humanistic, sympathetic and compassionate attitude, we treat, welcome, accept, respect and thank the God gifted things. In the form of nature, we have all around development. We all are friendly and familiar with nature. This nature never defeat, cheat and defeat us, never deceive us. It provides honesty and sincerity for the working population and generation. Whether we have so many social, political, economical problems, but we have the solutions which are unparalleled, incomparable,